Yo, check this out, guys. I opened my portfolio right here. Red, 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 red. Everything is in the red. Wow. What's up? What's up? What's up? Coinbase today, minus 12%. Woo! Well, good evening, ladies and gents. It's almost 9 p.m. on a Friday night. So that's why I thought, why not have a drink while I watch the whole stock market get really, really, really red today, as there has been a quite considerable sell-off. And yeah, just having a little bit of Friday fun, if you will. You know, I really don't get this market. I don't understand what people are doing, what they're doing. Why are they selling off so hard when really, where are you gonna put your money? I mean, yeah, stocks are crazy valuations right now, but bonds are pretty much worthless. Gold has not done anything in like 10 years. Crypto is a good option, but it's way too risky for most people. And real estate as well is pretty expensive. So what are these people thinking when they sell their positions? I don't know. What are you gonna do with that cash? I mean, you have 7% inflation officially, and unofficially I think it's actually higher, and most people think it's higher. So you're converting your stocks and your positions into cash, which is just sitting there and getting wrecked by inflation. So what is happening? I don't know. I guess everyone makes up their own mind. I know I'm just gonna be sitting put and collecting my dividends and dollar cost averaging in this market. And having a drink, obviously. This is good stuff. I'm not sponsored by this Florida can of rum, and if anyone thinks I'm that mighty for some reason to get sponsored by rum, no, I'm not. Yet. Maybe someday. Anyway, I was looking at this Netflix stock right now, and it tanked 21% today. And I'm like, what the hell is this? Is this the crypto market? Why? Since when do individual stocks, especially stocks as big as Netflix, tank 21% in a day? It's really interesting because yeah, they actually beat earnings. They beat earnings by 51 cents. In terms of percentage, I'm not sure how much that is, but it's like 30 or 40%. They beat earnings, and the only reason people are selling off is because they expect subscriber growth to slow down. So from 4 million subscribers last year in Q1 to add 2.5 million subscribers in Q1 of this year. So just because growth has slowed down, it hasn't stopped. Obviously, it's still growing pretty well. Just because it's slowed down slightly, people are like, oh shit, the world is falling apart. I'm gonna sell off my stocks. Like, what the hell? I don't get it. And I'm just sitting here and I'm kind of like excited about all this, and it's a bit weird because, like, what kind of a weirdo gets excited about losing money? Well, I guess this weirdo and a couple of his friends, because we're just sitting here like, ooh, we're gonna get some deals right here. And I'm pretty sure this is like just the beginning, because yeah, this year is probably gonna be pretty painful. Last year I did pretty good, like 25-26% return. We're due for a little bit of the red action right now this year. That's why I'm wearing red today. But yeah, it's like fun for me, which is weird. Oh, and I'm not drunk, by the way. I just poured this one right now. I'm just like enjoying my Friday evening. I'm getting like a lot of COVID March vibes from this sell-off, because we had a couple of days like this back then. and it was like almost 6-digit losses for me a day, which was pretty scary back then. And now I think I'm used to it. I'm just like excited about buying stuff at a discount, because you know my just investment horizon is like 20 plus years. I don't care what happens this year or next year or the next 3 years, whatever. I'm just gonna keep buying, and it's gonna be a blast, and it's gonna be fun just watching people panic and do stupid shit and not stop for a second to think. Yeah, I'm just being entertained. I guess I'm kind of a weird ass motherfucker who likes pain or something, who likes losing money. It's funny to me as well, because yeah, what the hell. But I know I'm gonna learn a lot from this. I know I'm gonna, you know, steel is forged in fire, so I'm like really excited to learn some lessons, to lose some money, to really get in the deep end of things. Like, these are the sorts of periods where the markets are not doing well. This is like where the greatest opportunity is. The greatest opportunity for me to invest, the greatest opportunity for me to learn, the greatest opportunity for me to grow as an investor, as a person, and to really strengthen my investing psychology and just learn to not be reactive and learn to just like sit back, watch things happen, have a drink, and have a blast. I mean, yeah, like I said, I'm pretty sure things will get worse, but I'm ready for it, I think. Like, sometimes markets will beat you a lot more than you expect, and probably there will be periods when I'm like, oh, come on, I'm tired of red, whatever. But when it starts, you'll be like, okay, the fun period of the roller coaster is when you go like, it's not sooner or later, you know, if it's like easy gains all the time, just green, you start to think like, this is not real, is it? It's like too easy, it's too boring, it's not, something's wrong. So when you get periods like this, when it's like really red, I'm just thinking to myself, this is good, it's interesting, it's fun, I get to learn, I get to do stuff, I get to really be better. Basically, for any of you thinking to start investing, periods like these, even though are very scary for a lot of people, this is actually the best time to start. I mean, the S&P is down almost 7% this year. Well, since the start of the year, that's like 21 days. It's the 21st of January. It's down almost 7%. If this year finishes in green or slightly above zero, I'm gonna be surprised, honestly. But yeah, just dollar cost average, which is you buy a small amount at regular periods regardless of the price. And when it's going down, obviously it's good because you're getting discounts on your regular buying periods. So if you're thinking about starting, just start now. It's gonna be good. Start this year. It's gonna be fun. You know, you're gonna see a lot of red, you're gonna see a lot of losses, but I guarantee you in a few years you'll be just fine. Cheers! This is the performance of my portfolio since the start of the year. We just go like 1st of January and then yeah, the market's really taken a dump. But yeah, it's all good. Like I said, we're just having a really long-term mindset here. So this is something that I've accepted, something that I'm fine with. Yeah, this is really good stuff though. If you're fans of rum, try it. Oh, and look at my cup. Look, I got a cup here from my friends as a Christmas gift. It says "Fly me to the moon," but honestly, I think I should just flip this upside down this year. Let's do that. Boop, we're not going to the moon, we're going to the opposite of the moon, which is... What is the opposite of the moon? to the core of the earth. I don't know. But yeah, that's it. I just thought I'd record this lazy slash fun slash whatever type of video. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed or whatever. And I wish you a very fine weekend. And remember, just keep buying, keep investing. Don't let this type of up and down motion, swings and whatever, don't let that worry you, disturb you. Don't let it cost you sleep, because really there is absolutely no reason why it should. Yeah, that's it. See ya.